Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to fix your GMC Sierra door handle. First, let's get organized. You will need a few basic tools, including a flat blade screwdriver, a 7mm socket, and a 10mm socket. Make sure you have your new door handle ready, along with any small clips or gaskets it might require. For your safety, always park your truck on a level surface and engage the parking brake before you begin any work. Now, let's tackle the door panel. Begin by gently prying off any trim pieces around the door handle and window switches. You'll typically find two 7mm bolts holding the panel, often under the armrest. Once these are out, carefully lift the panel and disconnect any electrical connectors for your power windows or speaker. Don't forget to detach the door lock rod. Finally, peel back the water shield to reveal the three 10mm bolts securing the exterior handle. With the old handle removed, it's time for the new one. First, transfer the lock cylinder and any connecting rods from your old handle to the new one, ensuring they clip securely into place. Then, carefully slide the new handle into the opening on the door, making sure it aligns perfectly. Reach inside the door and thread the three 10mm mounting bolts back into position, tightening them snugly but not excessively to avoid damage. You're almost done. Reconnect all electrical connectors for your switches and speaker, and reattach the door lock rod to the interior handle. Carefully put the water shield back in place, then align the interior door panel and push it firmly to engage all clips. Reinstall the two 7mm bolts and any trim pieces. Finally, test your new door handle from both the inside and outside to ensure it opens, closes, and locks correctly, providing smooth operation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.